Soft spot for animals. Inanimus means to be in motion. To animate, that is life. Animus, life. In motion. Animated, life. In the past. To animate is to be in motion. That is your future, though it's happening now. It's fast, and now it's gone. So the future is always the moment. That's as close to it as you will get. The past is not here, though it's not far behind. There it is, to be in motion. You need dimension and time. So to have a soft spot for a dimension is fine. But to have dementia, perhaps it's because you're out of time. That's because, you know, that's the end of your genetic clock. It's getting close. If you do not know how to go into yourself when you are done, the way life does, you close off the part of you that is welcomed home and are stuck in the darkness trying to shine your light. But that won't be enough for you, all right? Because you couldn't light up the darkness without the wisdom, being wise, to be in motion, to know that you are always in motion, even there. So when you light up, there is no darkness. There you go. You are the light. That's what you need to know. This is where you find it. Inanimus means to be animated. So when you make yourself, that's because you have the ability to create life, as we know, with your actions. Your actions have a soft spot with me also. So be kind. Thanks.